Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look. I wanted to film just a quick easy video for you guys because I have been doing live Instagram stories and you guys seem to really enjoy them. So I wanted to have a longer form of a video and an easier format so that after 24 hours you are able to go back and refer back to a video. This will go on my YouTube channel, so you will be able to jump over there and watch an extended version of the Instagram live. These videos are really great for quick easy makeup looks that you can recreate, and I really love doing them for you guys, and you guys have given me such an awesome response. So if you want to learn how I get this easy daytime wing liner bushy eyebrowed makeup look, please just keep on watching. and that comes to the end of the tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, turn on the notifications, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. I really enjoy creating these videos for you guys, so please leave me a message down below if there is anything that you guys want me to post about. But until next week, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.